Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you part 3 of the CANNI Pink Gel Collection, and as a bonus, a single CANNI polish from their macaroon series. I will be unboxing, reviewing, swatching, and creating a beautiful nail design using these gorgeous shades.
And leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
Let us dive into the unboxing of the CANNI Pink Gel Collection. The CANNI Pink Gel Collection comes in a sleek box and includes 6 ml HEMA-free bottles with pink shades, all of which are vibrant and very pigmented. The consistency of the polish is creamy and thick with adequate coverage on the first swipe. Although I couldn't help myself, I applied 2 coats. You could get away with just one.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one level thing.
Next, I will be swatching each polish from the CANNI Gel Collection to see how these pretty pink shades look under different lighting conditions, as well as choose which polishes I will be using in today's nail creation.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Moving on to the fun part, the nail creation segment. I will be using the CANNI Gel polish from the Macaroon collection, along with other products to create a beautiful nail art using the CANNI polishes, focusing on the pretty pink shades from the collection. I do want to add, you will see that I struggled with the nail art and the decision of whether I liked it or not. Therefore, I decided to create other nails to replace the ones I was unsure. I did keep the other nails, so you will see the ones of which I am speaking. Sit back and relax while I create my nail creation.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course and we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
Do not forget to check the description box for links to all products used in this video, including my affiliate link for Model 1s. Your support means the world to me, so please consider using my affiliate links for your purchases. Help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button and joining the community. Remember, views do not count towards subscribers, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on my latest content.
To be good all the time. No drama, yeah.
Thank you for tuning in and supporting my channel. I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your comment, feedback, and suggestions for future videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next video.
Bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. So spit it out to my face, it's okay. I've been busy working late, unrehearsed in my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself. I've been prioritizing. I got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah.